Ever wondered how a small Swedish car maker became a king of hypercars today? We're diving deep into the complete history of Koenigsegg, from their very first prototype to the mind-bending machines they build today. This is the story of every Koenigsegg model ever made. It all started with the CC prototype. This was Christian von Koenigsegg's dream made real, a one-off concept that laid the foundation for everything to come. Then, in 2002, the world met the CC8S. This was their first ever production car, with its mid-mounted twin supercharged V8 and those iconic dihedral doors. It was a statement. Only 6 were ever built, making it incredibly rare. Next came the CCR in 2004. It was an evolution of the CC8S, but with more power, massive 806 horsepower. It even briefly held the world production car top speed record at the Nardo Ring in Italy, proving Koenigsegg was a serious contender. By 2006, Koenigsegg was ready to take on the world, literally. The CCX was a complete redesign, engineered to meet global standards, especially for the US market. It kept the 4.7-liter V8, but refined the entire package. Then things got even crazier with the CCXR. This was a version of the CCX that could run on E85 biofuel. Why? Because it unlocked a monstrous amount of power. The CCXR family also gave us the legendary Trevita, a version so exclusive it was made with a unique white carbon fiber weave. In 2011, the Agera era began. This became Koenigsegg's core platform for years. It featured a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and had numerous variants. The Agera R was track-focused. The Agera S was more for the road. And the Agera RS became a record-shattering legend, setting multiple speed records. The Agera Final Edition celebrated the end of this incredible model's run with highly customized, limited-edition cars. But Koenigsegg wasn't done innovating. In 2014, they introduced the 1.1. This wasn't just a hypercar. They called it the world's first megacar. The name says it all. It had 1 megawatt of power, which is 1,360 PS, and weighed only about 1,360 kilograms. A perfect 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio. Only 7 were ever made, including the prototype. Then, in 2016, Koenigsegg reinvented the hybrid with the Regera. Instead of a traditional gearbox, it used the revolutionary Koenigsegg direct drive system. This combined a powerful V8 with electric motors for seamless, brutal acceleration. The Regera is the ultimate blend of luxury, grand tour, and hypercar performance. The pursuit of ultimate performance led to the Jesko in 2021. Named after Christian's father, the Jesko is an extreme track weapon with incredible downforce and a revolutionary light-speed transmission. And if that's not enough, there's the Jesko Absolute, a version designed with one goal in mind: to be the fastest Koenigsegg ever built, with a focus on achieving the highest possible top speed. To celebrate their 20th anniversary, Koenigsegg unveiled the CC850. It's a beautiful tribute to the original CC8S, blending retro design with modern technology. It uses a Jesko-based engine and features the mind-blowing Engage Shift system, which can switch between being a smooth, automatic, and a gated 6-speed manual. And finally, Koenigsegg is changing the game again with the Gemera. This is the world's first Mega GT. It's a 4-seater that combines family-friendly practicality with the insane performance you expect from Koenigsegg. It proves that you don't have to sacrifice speed for space. From a single prototype to a lineup of world-beating megacars, Koenigsegg's journey is a masterclass in innovation. Each model pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's greatest cars.